Craving your favorite food but want to pay with ease? Let's dive into how you can effortlessly use Venmo to conquer your Uber Eats cravings. First, you'll need to make sure your Venmo account is set up and funded. Open your Uber Eats app and navigate to your account settings. Look for the payment option, which is usually represented by a credit card icon or the word payment. Once you're in the payment section, you'll see a list of your current payment methods. Tap on Add Payment Method. This is where the magic happens. Scroll through the available payment options until you find Venmo. Tap on it. You'll then be prompted to link your Venmo account. This usually involves entering your Venmo username and password to authorize the connection. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely link your accounts. It's a straightforward process that only takes a moment. After successfully linking, Venmo will appear as one of your payment options within Uber Eats now. When you go to checkout with your delicious meal, simply select Venmo as your desired payment method before confirming your order. And that's it. Your food delivery is streamlined, and your digital transaction is complete. All thanks to the convenience of Venmo. Enjoy your meal.